Hey y'all, talking about fire equipment that we keep in our bug out bag. So one of the things that I keep here is these Blackbeard Fire Plugs. The fire plugs are awesome. They are waterproof because they're filled with wax, so you don't have to really worry about if they get wet or damp. They ignite very easily. They come in 50 packs. I also have a little Blackbeard fire plug kit that houses your fire plugs in a little pack in your bag, keep everything organized, but they're very easy to use. So I also wanted to show, if you fluff these fibers up and expose the fluffy parts like this, you can start a fire fairly easily with a ferro rod and not just a lighter. So let's give that a whirl. And we have fire. So these things burn for a long time, so I'm going to let this thing burn and we'll see how long it goes. So as you can see, we're about 4 or 5 minutes in, still going. Plenty of time to get your fire going. Love these fire plugs, compact little kit, absolutely essential item to keep in your bug out bag. Quality products by Blackbeard.